Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about Rockfire Resources PLC, and what we can see is that stock is trying to make a range or a base in the last 2 or 3 odd years. So this is a long-term trend, this is a monthly chart, so we can definitely call it as a base or a consolidate level of consolidation. So here we have, so let's discuss about the trend and what we can expect probably going forward. So here is the trend. We are going to discuss about the trend, but before that, if you haven't subscribed my channel, hit on the subscription button and also hit on the notification bell to get the notification of my upcoming videos. Now let's first discuss about the current trend. Okay, so here you have your first support level at 0.79. below that you have your next support at 0.42, and then you have your big support, or the last support will be at 0.26. below 0.26 you're going to assume that the trend will break below 20.26, and there should not be any trend or trade which one can carry below that level. Okay, on the upside you have your very big resistance. Okay, very big resistance at 2.5. so this stock has tried to overcome this resistance in 2018, 2019 and 2020. So 3 times it tried to so, but unable to succeed. Now it is trying probably at the 4th time. So this will definitely act as a big resistance. If this time it is unable to make a breakout above 2.5, then probably there will be much more consolidation which one can see in the times to come. Okay, so that is the first thing you need to understand and remember. Now if in case it will make a breakout above 2.5, so your next big target or resistance will come at around 5.13. okay, now understand that this is a long-term downtrending chart. So here you have your downtrend from 90 and it fell down towards 0.25. so whatever we are having right now, it's simply a bounce back. Okay, so don't consider it as a trend change or a start of a new trend or something like that. It will only happen once it crosses its previous high of 94. Okay, whatever we are having right now is simply a bounce back, and for that the levels which one should look is, as I already told you, 2.5, and this is a very big resistance. If it crosses 2.5, then 5.1. this also will play as a big resistance. Okay, so these two levels are very crucial, and the stock to go higher, these are the two main criteria that it needs to go through. Once it crosses 5.1, then you have 7.5, and once it crosses 7.5, then you have 20.4. so I will not go beyond 20.4 right now, because from the current level it is something like 2300%. so this is a big one. Okay, so one can restrict themselves or oneself till 20.49 or probably 28. Okay, so these are the levels which one should look for, and each and every level has its own importance. Okay, so each and every level can be seen with an individual important level, and one must understand that where your current support and resistance level lies, and apply the stop loss and trail it accordingly. Don't just be a risk taking person, and without considering the risk you are taking, that if you are thinking that it will go up, that's fine, but it should not looks like you are not consider your risk before taking any trade. It should not be the case. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.